If your Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 is not charging, you're not alone. This is one of the most common problems reported by users. In this video, we'll go through proven solutions step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the cable and adapter. One of the first things you should do is replace the charging cable and adapter. Many Samsung Tab A7 charging problems are caused by cables that look fine on the outside but are broken internally. Always test the tablet using an original Samsung charger or a high-quality certified replacement. Plug the charger directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip. Step 2. Clean the charging port. A dirty charging port is one of the most overlooked causes of charging failure. Over time, pocket lint, dust, and debris collect inside the USB-C port, blocking the connection between the charger and the tablet. Use a flashlight to look inside the port. If you see debris, gently clean it using compressed air or a soft wooden toothpick. Step 3. Restart the tablet. Software glitches can cause the Samsung Tab A7 to stop charging even when power is connected. Restarting the tablet refreshes system processes and often restores charging immediately. If restarting does not help, boot the tablet into Safe Mode. Safe Mode disables all third-party apps, allowing you to determine whether an installed app is interfering with charging. Step 4. Update the software and wipe cache. Outdated software can cause charging recognition issues. Go to Settings, check for system updates, and install any available updates. If the issue continues, wiping the cache partition can help. This clears temporary system files that may be causing charging errors without deleting personal data. Step 5. Factory reset the tablet. If none of the previous steps work, a factory reset may be necessary. This removes all data and restores the tablet to its original software state. Before performing a reset, back up all important files. Factory resets have successfully fixed persistent charging issues caused by corrupted system files, but this step should only be used after all other solutions have failed. If the Samsung Tab A7 still does not charge after all troubleshooting steps, the issue is likely hardware related. These problems cannot be fixed through software and require professional repair. At this stage, visiting an authorized Samsung service center or qualified technician is the safest option.